Let me show you how to use all gestures and motions on POCO M8 5G. So first of all, we'll need to open settings, then scroll down and enter additional settings. Look for gestures and shortcuts, and then we can start from top to bottom. First one is launch digital assistant by holding power button for half second. It should look like this. And then there's our Google Assistant. Next thing is the camera, I think. And no, it's screenshot, so we can enable two options here: slide three fingers down, volume down, and power button. So first one, to make a screenshot, you can slide three fingers from top of the screen. As you can see, it captures a screenshot. And the other way is to click on volume down and power button. That way you'll be able to also capture the screenshot. Next is partial screenshot. Here, hold three fingers onto the screen, and that way you'll be able to make a partial screenshot. That means you can select any amount of screen that you want to capture and then save it. Next thing is launch camera. You can launch your camera by double pressing power button or double pressing volume down button, but only when your screen is locked. So first option will look like this. You double press power button and it switches to camera, and when you lock your device you double press volume down button and it should also open the camera. Now in this case for some reason it doesn't work, but I think it's because my apps. So if you have the same issue and there's apps that control the always on display or something like that, then you won't be able to use it. So that's pretty cool to know. Okay, so let's move through the other options. There's turn on flashlight. You can activate this option, and then when you double press the power button and replace it with camera, you will activate a flashlight. If you double press on it again, then it should turn off. Next thing is power off. You can switch the method on how you're gonna power off your device, either by pressing and holding the power button for 3 seconds to call out power menu, or by pressing volume up button and the power button to also call out power menu to reboot or power off your device. And that is all of the gestures and shortcuts that you can find for this phone. And thanks so much for watching. Please consider subscribing if you like this video.